What's up everybody? I'm PJ with MarineMax in Clearwater, here to show you an awesome new model by Saxdor boats, the 27 GTO. We're going to start in the aft section with one of my favorite things about the boat, configurability. So if you take a look here, for a semi-narrow 27-foot boat, they definitely did an awesome job incorporating enough seating for the family and a lot of positions for the seating. As I come back here, you can start to see some of the different ways that you can configure this section. This table can be lowered. This can become an entire sunbed so that your kids can lay behind you. Now we're at the helm. As you can see, Saxdor did a fantastic job here. Everything cleanly laid out for who's operating the boat. Plenty of storage for your cell phone, chargers, and whatnot here. Stainless steel Bocatech switches that are going to operate all your lights, and your entry to the fantastic cabin, which is one of my favorite parts of this 27. As you can see, they didn't sacrifice any of your bow space up here with that awesome cabin. You can flip each cushion to the side and access your windlass easily. And as you get over here, you'll see that they created a really safe and easy way to get up to things like your sunshade or nav anchor lights, anything that you need to access on your hardtop from this side. Again, I'm PJ Arufo with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys on the water.